Welcome to Munduk Moding Plantation. My name is Gede Suparwata. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager of Munduk Moding Plantation. Munduk Moding Plantation is the only high-end accommodation in a working coffee plantation in Bali. We produce our own specialty coffee. The whole process from bean to cup can be experienced while staying here. Relax, refresh, and revitalize your energy and indulge yourself in our brand new bamboo spa. It is a delight for the senses. We offer various massages, facial treatment, manicure and pedicure, as well as our signature coffee scrub treatment made from our coffee beans. Enjoy our homegrown vegetables and fruits in the Mimpi restaurant. Balinese dishes and Asian cuisine is cooked to perfection. Finally, for anybody who prefer to explore more the area on horseback, we offer rides on horses from our stables, which is located in the middle of our coffee plantation. We are the only boutique hotel in Bali to offer a horse riding trip that brings you to secret waterfalls and pristine lake. We hope you enjoy staying here as we do. Thank you.